Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a neon text effect in Canva. This is a quick, eye-catching way to make your text glow and stand out, and it only takes a few clicks. Whether you're designing eye-catching banners for your Shopify store or creating social media graphics, the neon text effect can really elevate your design and grab attention. We'll move through the process step by step, so you know exactly where to look and what each option does. First, head into your project and open the design where your text already lives. Once your design is on screen, click the text you want to turn into neon. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it and the text toolbar appears at the top. If you have multiple text boxes, make sure the one with the words you want glowing is the one highlighted. If you click off of it by accident, just click it again to reselect. This step is essential, especially if you're working on multiple elements within your design, as it ensures you're working with the correct text layer. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar and click Effects. This opens the text effects panel on the side or in a pop-up, depending on your layout. If you don't see effects, it usually means the text isn't selected, so just click the text again and the option will reappear. The effects panel is where Canva groups styles like shadows, outlines, and of course, the neon effect. This panel is incredibly handy because it allows you to instantly apply dynamic visual effects to your text and make it pop without needing to use external design software. Inside the effects panel, find the option labeled Neon and click it. The moment you select Neon, your text will update on the canvas with a soft glow that radiates from the letters. You don't need to apply or confirm anything else for the effect to appear. It's instant. The neon effect uses your text's current color, so whatever color you already set will glow with that same hue. For instance, if your text is blue, the glow will have a cool blue hue. If it's red, it'll glow with a red light. This feature makes it easy to create a uniform and stylish look that matches your brand's colors. Perfect for Shopify store owners who want their text to match their brand identity. Now, adjust the intensity of the effect to dial in the look. You'll see a slider labeled Intensity. Drag it to the right to strengthen the glow and make it more pronounced, or slide it to the left for a subtler, more refined shine. Higher intensity gives a bright, bold glow that's great for headlines, promotions, or any design that needs to capture attention quickly. It works especially well in ads or social media posts where you want your text to stand out. On the other hand, lower intensity keeps things readable and polished for longer paragraphs or smaller text, which is ideal for product descriptions, details, or any content that requires clarity. Keep an eye on how it looks at the size you plan to use. A strong glow can sometimes make thin letters appear softer, while a lower setting keeps edges crisper and more defined. If you're working on smaller text, like a subtitle or a product label for your Shopify store, you might want to use a softer glow to maintain readability. Always preview how it looks in context before finalizing your design. That's all there is to it. Go to your project, select your text, open effects, choose neon, and fine-tune the intensity until it feels just right. The glow will naturally look more dramatic against darker areas of your design and more subtle on lighter ones, so previewing your layout helps you pick the perfect balance. This is especially useful for e-commerce designs, as the contrast can help your text stand out on product images or banners. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. Enjoy your new neon text effect in Canva. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your text pop and enhance your overall design.